Baba tekrar geliyor. Tekrar geliyor.
On August 10th, 2025, Turkey was rocked by a powerful earthquake. A magnitude 6.1 tremor struck the Sındırgı district in Balıkesir province at 7:53 p.m. local time. This shallow quake, just 10 to 11 kilometers deep, sent shock waves across the region, felt as far as Istanbul, over 200 kilometers away, and provinces like İzmir, Manisa, and Bursa.
Gel aldım. Allah'ım. Allah'ım. Allah'ım. Çatlamış mı? Rasim çık. Allah'ım. Allah'ım şartelleri indireyim. Şarteller. Allah'ım. Allah'ım bütün etmeyin.
Allah'ım her yer yıkıldı. Allah'ım Allah'ım. Allah'ım. Yıkıldı yıkıldı. Allah'ım.
16 buildings collapsed, including derelict structures and 2 mosque minarets. Rescue teams worked tirelessly, saving 4 people from a multi-story building in Sındırgı. Tragically, the quake claimed 1 life, an 81-year-old woman rescued from the rubble, but who passed away shortly after. At least 29 others were injured, many trapped under debris. Turkish authorities responded swiftly. Interior Minister Ali Yerlikaya confirmed the details, emphasizing rapid mobilization. President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan expressed condolences, assuring that all institutions were on the ground. The Disaster and Emergency Management Agency concluded search and rescue, but warned against entering damaged buildings as field surveys continue. Many families decided to spend the night outside, fearing aftershocks.
Depremden sonra park full dolu. Sandalyesini indiren park alanına inmiş.
As Turkey heals, this quake reminds us of nature's unpredictability. Stay vigilant, heed warnings, and support those affected. Our thoughts are with the people of Balıkesir.